So we back in UK. Let me tell you a little story. Me, my wife, Misha Mishaua, and ATTI the Hunn, we went for a trip around Europe. That trip was a month-long camping trip, and all this time when I was on the road, I was thinking to the moment when I'm gonna say again this. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Jesus, I was missing so much this, and the reason why I miss so much is because of you guys, because I like to create content and I like to create, you know, things that I see that you love to see, and this is very, very rewarding. We're gonna start with the first episode, and the first episode is the first day in Romania. We'll see by the end what is gonna happen. I hope you're gonna stay with me and you're gonna enjoy as much as we did this trip, because it was a mental one for us. So stay tuned. Right, massive ride. 2 days on the road, we end up here. So hold on a second, come back, Mr. Focus. Right, we left London, UK 2 days ago, and just to give you an idea, first day we slept in a bar in Austria. We had like a few hours sleeping time there, and the second day we pushed it and we end up here in the middle of the Sunset Mountains, and yeah, absolutely fantastic. Really pleased with this one. We had a night at the Mihail's grandparents, and we're planning to push onwards from here to Alba, our home city, so stay tuned. This is going to be interesting. Massive hill to climb up to. Fully loaded bike, me absolutely tired. See what it comes up. So wish me good luck. Finally home, quick shower, off to the hairdresser. Mom is going to be upset with this one because the food is on the, I think it's on the cooker or on the table, something like that, and she's going to be mad. Never mind, let's go to the hairdresser. Ce m-aș bolându-le!
Ce pulă, băi! Unde vii, mă? Ai ceva, băi!
Hey, Warren!
Yeah, man!
Me my all-time favorite barber, so if you ever on this part of the world, this is the man! And that lady over there used to do my hair when I used to be a little boy. Pretty much that's it, pretty dope, isn't it? I told you, Johnny, the best one in town, yeah?
That's it for today. I'm gonna go home, take Mishaua, see her parents, and I'm gonna leave the cameras. That's it for today. Peace.
See you.